Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in to the Google account tied to Adsense. This saves time and avoids profile conflicts. Once signed in, open the Google Payments Center and view your active payments profile to see the current currency and country. Make sure your legal name, address, and tax information match. Discrepancies block changes. If the currency matches your needs, stop here. If not, proceed, because Adsense does not let you directly swap currency on an existing profile. You must create a new payments profile to use a different currency. Click Add a Profile in Payments Center and select the target country and currency carefully. Provide complete address, tax details, and the bank account that accepts that currency. Bank mismatches cause payment failures. Once created, go to Adsense Payments and choose the new profile if allowed. Otherwise, prepare to migrate by creating a new Adsense account tied to the new profile. Keep records of both profiles for reconciliation. Finalize by verifying payout threshold and bank verification. Make a small deposit if required so the bank account is confirmed. If Adsense does not allow linking the new profile, contact Google support and provide both payments profile ID and screenshots. Persistence speeds resolution. Once linked, monitor the first payout to ensure currency and amounts are correct. If you see wrong currency or missing funds, pause transfers and escalate with support. This single troubleshooting tip prevents lost payments and saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.